you something. You wear your seatbelt every single time, or you gonna feel the pain. Ooh, you been served.
Come in.
Hi, Ronnie. How are you?
Hey, Sheila.
I have your 4584s, and we had some concerns about some of the employees not wearing their seatbelts.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Again?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Well, hopefully you can review them and give some good feedback.
I mean, what is it do our employees not understand about wearing seatbelts?
I don't know. You know, it's state law. You got to wear them when you're coming to work. Why you don't want to wear them on the clock? I'm not sure. I would think that they would consider that they're going to be held liable both ways.
Do they not understand that seatbelts save lives? I mean, what do they not understand about it? I just don't get it. I mean, report after report, employees just not wearing their seatbelts.
We got to send a different message.
You know, drastic times call for drastic measures. I have got to come up with something that's going to get our people's attention and make sure they wear their seatbelts every single day. Thank you, Rashida. Oh my God, that's it. I got it. I know how I'm going to fix this. I can't believe it took me so long to come up with it. I'm going to get me an office linebacker. It's going to work. It's going to be the ultimate touchdown, and it's going to get these employees engaged in wearing those seatbelts. I can't wait to get this started.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the, y'all don't really.
Come on. You gotta wear your seatbelt. You gotta wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt. Teresa, have you heard of they have a new employee calling the office linebacker? I know you hear a lot of things. I think somebody was telling his name was Fred Bradshaw.
And he's our new office employee, the linebacker.
A linebacker,
Is
seatbelt?
he the one that's going to be doing seatbelts?
I think so.
Making sure we're wearing them.
Yeah, I wear mine, so
I do too, so we need to be looking out for others to wear their seatbelts.
Yeah. So.
You hear that? What's that?
Where's that coming from?
Where's that coming from?
That's him! I'm gonna wear my seatbelt! I'm gonna wear my seatbelt!
Here he comes, the office linebacker.
Where?
Right there.
Where's he at?
Do you want to make it home safe?
Yes, I want to make it
Do you want to make it home safe? Then you wear your seatbelt.
I wear my seatbelt.
You ain't wearing your seatbelt.
I wear my seatbelt.
You've been served. You know, when they called me in, I was, a little skeptical about doing it, but, he told me his idea about making sure these carriers wear that seatbelts. When I thought about it, I was like, I can be that enforcer. I can bring that pain. I can bring that pain, make sure they get home safely. You want to be in the game, you got to be safe. You want to wear this seatbelt every day if you want to be there. Wear your seatbelt every single time, or you're going to end up like this. Office linebacker right here. You understand me? Wear your seatbelt, be safe. Hey, Miss Hutch, how you doing?
Doing good.
Every single time, wear your seatbelt. Pain train. Woo! Wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt. Woo! Pain's coming. Pain's coming.
Office line, wait, I'm gonna get my seatbelt. I'm gonna get it on. I got my seatbelt.
That's right. Wear your seatbelt. You want to stay alive? You want to get home? You wear your seatbelt. You hear me? Office linebacker right here. That's right. You've been served. And one thing about it, I got mind control over them. I'm gonna bring that pain. They're gonna get it. They gonna be safe. They gonna get it. I'll be watching you. I'll be out there. You've been served. You want to get home safe? You wear your seatbelt. You're going to feel the pain every single time. Wear your seatbelt. I'm telling you, officer linebacker right here. Be safe. You've been served. Wear your seatbelt.
It's an officer linebacker.
Wear your seatbelt every single time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You've been served.
Rashida, these reports you just brought me are amazing. I cannot believe the difference. We now have our employees wearing their seatbelts. Not a single report of any of our employees that did not wear their seatbelt on these reviews. I knew that idea I had of bringing in Fred Bradshaw, office linebacker, to enforce our seatbelt policy. I knew that was going to be a touchdown, and it is. That was the best move we've ever made. Our employees are now wearing their seatbelts, and most important, they're going home safe.
Office linebacker. I'll wear my seatbelt, I promise. Office linebacker.
Again with another video. This month is about seatbelt safety. Make sure y'all wearing your seatbelts out there so you don't have to come see me. I hate to roll up on you. Alright? Let's be safe out there. This thing right here will get you home safe. There's certain times where you can wear the shoulder harness or you just have to wear the lap belt. Alright? But follow those rules. When you're going through intersections, if you're in that vehicle and your butt is in that seat driving anything, have that seatbelt on. Alright? Be safe. Or you might get a visit by linebacker.